Have you ever struggled to get up from a chair, needing to push with your hands, or hesitated before taking a step because your legs didn't feel stable? Maybe you've noticed that stairs feel steeper than before, or you tire quickly during a simple walk around the house. My dear friend, these are not just signs of aging. They are quiet warnings. Your legs, the pillars of your independence, are often the first to weaken as you grow older. But why does this matter so much? Because when your legs weaken, your freedom, safety, and confidence all begin to suffer. A small stumble could lead to a serious fall. A fall could lead to a fracture. And a fracture, especially after 70, can change the course of your life permanently. But here's the good news. You don't have to accept weakness as your fate. Today's video is your wake-up call. Not to scare you, but to awaken the strength that still lives within you. Because there are 6 powerful natural foods that support your legs. Foods that help build muscle, restore energy, improve circulation, and protect you from disability. You don't need expensive medications. You don't need fancy machines. You need simple healing foods, the kind your body knows and welcomes. These foods can nourish your legs, improve balance, and reduce the risk of falling or losing mobility. Remember this, your legs carry your freedom. They are your independence, your ability to go where your heart desires, and they deserve to be supported with love and intention. So stay with me. We'll go step by step through why legs weaken, what happens if you ignore it, and most importantly, what you can eat daily to regain strength, stability, and energy in your legs. This is your path to standing strong again, naturally, spiritually, and confidently. Why legs weaken? First, after 60, you might be wondering, why do the legs weaken before other parts of the body? Why not the arms, the chest, or the hands? The answer lies in how your body works and ages over time. As we grow older, especially after the age of 60, the body naturally begins to lose muscle mass. This process is called sarcopenia. On average, we lose about 3 to 8% of our muscle every decade after 30, but the pace picks up after 60. And the first and most affected muscles are often the lower body muscles, the thighs, calves, hips, and glutes. Why these? Because these muscles are used constantly for walking, standing, climbing stairs, getting up from the toilet, or lifting yourself out of bed. They work against gravity, supporting your whole weight. And with time, if they're not properly nourished or exercised, they weaken faster. Another reason is blood circulation. As we age, circulation to the lower parts of the body becomes slower, especially if we sit too long or don't move much. Poor blood flow means less oxygen, and fewer nutrients reach the muscles, leading to fatigue, cramping, or weakness. Digestion also changes. Seniors may absorb less protein, less vitamin D, and less calcium from food, all essential for keeping muscles and bones strong. Medications or gut health issues can make this worse. But perhaps the most overlooked reason is this. We simply stop using our legs the way we used to. We sit more, we rest more. And while rest is important, too much stillness leads to stiffness and muscle loss. Here's something spiritual to reflect on. You were made to move. The Creator gave you legs not just to walk, but to carry your purpose forward. And if He gave them to you, then it is also your sacred duty to protect and nourish them. Weakness is not a punishment, it's a signal, a call to action. And the beautiful part is, your body still responds when you care for it. With the right food, movement, and love, your legs can grow stronger again, even after 70. The dangers of weak legs. After 60, weak legs might seem like a minor inconvenience. But the truth is, they can silently open the door to much bigger problems. Let's talk about falls, because this is where it often begins. According to the CDC, 1 out of every 4 adults over 65 falls each year, and many of those falls result in serious injury, like a broken hip or head trauma. And here's the alarming part. After a major fall, many seniors never fully regain their independence. We're not talking about just pain. We're talking about losing the ability to walk on your own, having to rely on walkers or wheelchairs, or even being forced into nursing care. And the root cause often traces back to one thing: weakened leg muscles. But the danger doesn't stop there. When your legs weaken, you become less mobile. And less mobility means less circulation, more joint stiffness, and higher risk of blood clots, especially in the legs. Lack of movement can also lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Weak muscles also make it harder to get to the bathroom quickly, increasing the risk of incontinence or accidents. They affect balance, coordination, and confidence. Many seniors begin to fear walking alone, which leads to isolation, and isolation often leads to depression. And here's a fact that might surprise you. Multiple studies have found that seniors with weaker legs or a weak grip have a higher risk of death over the next 5-10 years. Not because of the legs directly, but because weak muscles reflect poor overall health, poor mobility, and a weakened immune system. But this isn't a message of fear. It's a message of hope. Because food, simple, healing food, can be your ally. You can rebuild strength from the inside out. You can protect yourself from disability, loss of freedom, and pain. Your body still listens when you speak to it with care. Remember, you were not made to sit in silence. You were made to walk in light. And that light begins with what you feed your temple. Let's now look at the 6 most powerful foods you can start eating this week to bring life back into your legs. Best foods to strengthen legs food. Number 1. Salmon or fatty fish. Let's begin with one of nature's most powerful leg healers, salmon. Salmon is rich in high-quality protein, which your muscles desperately need to repair and grow stronger. But what makes salmon especially beneficial for seniors is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, natural compounds that reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and even enhance muscle protein synthesis. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that omega-3s from fatty fish like salmon can actually increase muscle mass and strength in older adults, even without heavy exercise. It helps revive tired legs, reduce soreness, and prevent the muscle breakdown that comes with age. If you suffer from poor circulation in your legs, cold feet, cramps, or numbness, omega-3s help relax blood vessels, improving oxygen delivery to your muscles and nerves. How to enjoy it. Baked or grilled salmon 2-3 times a week, canned salmon with bones for added calcium, or try sardines or mackerel. If salmon is too expensive for those who don't eat fish, fish oil supplements can be an alternative. Spiritual reflection. Every bite of this fish is a blessing from the ocean, designed to heal and strengthen the legs that carry your purpose. Food Intro 2. Greek yogurt or plain yogurt. Next up is Greek yogurt, a quiet but mighty friend of your bones and muscles. Greek yogurt is packed with calcium, vitamin D, and complete protein, the holy trinity for leg strength. It's also easy to digest, even for seniors with weak stomachs. Protein helps rebuild muscles, while calcium and vitamin D keep your leg bones dense and strong. Seniors often suffer from osteopenia or osteoporosis, which weakens the leg bones and increases fall risk. A daily cup of Greek yogurt can slow down that loss. Probiotics in yogurt also support gut health, which indirectly improves nutrient absorption and reduces inflammation. How to enjoy it. 1 small bowl in the morning with fruit and chia seeds. Use it in smoothies. Choose unsweetened varieties to avoid excess sugar. Dairy-free. Try calcium-fortified almond or coconut yogurts. Feed the body with care, and it will return strength with gratitude. Food. Number 3. Beets or beet juice. Beets are like natural energy boosters for the legs. Why? Because they're rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that widens blood vessels, boosts oxygen delivery, and increases endurance. In fact, several studies have found that beet juice improves walking performance in seniors with poor leg circulation, a condition called peripheral artery disease. This means less leg fatigue, longer walking times, and fewer cramps. How to use them. Roast beets as a side dish. Blend beetroot juice with apple and ginger. Add raw grated beets to salad. Caution: beets can make urine pink. It's harmless. And for those with kidney stones, consult your doctor due to oxalate content. Beets carry the color of life, and they pour energy into every step you take. Food. 4. Spinach or leafy greens. Spinach isn't just good for your eyes, it's a miracle food for your legs. Packed with magnesium, potassium, iron, and vitamin K, spinach helps support muscle function, prevents cramps, and strengthens both bones and blood vessels. Magnesium helps your muscles contract and relax properly, which reduces nighttime cramps and twitching in the legs. Potassium helps balance fluids, preventing swelling. Vitamin K supports bone mineral density, reducing fracture risk. How to enjoy spinach. Add a handful to soups or eggs. Blend. In smoothies, steam lightly and drizzle with olive oil. Alternatives: kale, Swiss chard, or even frozen spinach cubes. Green foods bring life to the body. Let them fill your legs with light and motion. Food. 5. Eggs. Eggs are nature's perfect protein. One large egg has all the essential amino acids your muscles need to grow and repair. They're also rich in vitamin B12, which supports nerve health, especially important if you feel tingling or weakness in your legs. The choline in eggs improves brain-to-muscle communication, helping with balance and movement. How to eat. Boiled eggs at breakfast. Scrambled or in omelets with veggies. Up to 1-2 eggs daily are safe for most healthy seniors. Worried about cholesterol? Modern research shows moderate egg consumption doesn't raise heart risk in healthy seniors. Let each egg remind you, your body is designed to be rebuilt one simple meal at a time. Food. 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a powerhouse of potassium, fiber, and slow-digesting carbohydrates, all of which support leg muscle energy and prevent sudden fatigue. Potassium prevents cramps and regulates muscle contractions. The natural sugars in sweet potatoes release slowly, providing long-lasting energy without blood sugar spikes. They also contain beta-carotene, an antioxidant that supports tissue repair, essential for worn-out leg muscles. How to enjoy. Baked with a drizzle of olive oil, mashed with cinnamon. Diced into stews or soups for diabetics. Keep portions small and pair with protein to balance sugar. From the earth comes strength. Let sweet potatoes ground and power your every step. Now that you know what to eat, here's how to accelerate your leg strength recovery. Move daily. Even 5 minutes of light activity helps. Try heel raises, wall sits, or gentle squats. Hydrate well. Dehydration worsens cramps. Prioritize protein in every meal. Get enough sleep. Recovery happens during rest. Supplements that may help. Vitamin D3 if you're not getting enough sunlight. Magnesium for cramps and nerve support. B12, especially for vegetarians or those with nerve issues. Even 15 minutes of sunlight daily helps produce vitamin D naturally. And always stretch gently after sitting too long. God gave your body the tools to heal. You only need to activate them. Let's pause and remember. Your legs are your foundation, your freedom, your connection to the world. Without them, every step becomes a struggle. But weakness is not the end. It is a whisper, telling you it's time to nourish, rebuild, and move again. Today, you've learned the truth. That simple foods like salmon, yogurt, beets, spinach, eggs, and sweet potatoes can change your life from the ground up. You've learned that leg weakness is not permanent, and strength is always possible, even after 70. You are not fragile. You are not broken. You are renewable. Start today. Add these foods with love. Move your body with care, and speak to yourself with kindness. Your sleep is sacred. Your legs are sacred. Your life is a gift. If this message touched your heart, please like this video, share your favorite leg-strengthening food in the comments, subscribe for more healing, wisdom, and strength on your journey. You are not alone. You are part of a community. And we walk this path together, one strong step at a time.